Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find Swift code of RBC Bank. First of all, open your browser and search for the Y Swift code finder. Click on the link to access their tool. Once on the page, use the search bar to type RBC Bank, select country and your uh, city name. You will see a list of Swift codes based on the bank's branches and location. Find the branch you need, then copy its Swift code. Make sure it matches your bank's location for accuracy. And that's it. You have found the RBC Swift code using Wise. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.